Hi, I'm Jeannie Cunningham, and I'm a concerned American citizen, taxpayer, and mortgage holder. It is projected that in the next few years, in addition to the 2.2 million Americans who've already lost their homes to foreclosure, exploding interest rates and balloon payments will force even more people to become homeless, which will in turn decrease property tax revenues necessary to run the states, increase the glut of bank-owned properties, thus decreasing property values even further, and continue to drag down the entire economy. But there may be a solution here, one that can benefit everyone, from the bank to the mortgage holder. What would happen if our government took emergency action and mandated that all mortgages in the United States be immediately and automatically reduced to 4.5% until such a time as our economy stabilizes? What would happen if there was no paperwork involved with this? Just a universal automatic reduction, accessible by computer. You just type in your name, home address, mortgage account information, and any other pertinent information necessary to recalculate and reconfigure your payments. Here are the advantages. Those who are struggling would have a much better chance of keeping their homes. The banks wouldn't have to deal with as many foreclosures. The states would start seeing property taxes paid again. Property values would at least stabilize and possibly start climbing back up again, and it would leave extra money in people's pockets to stimulate the economy by increasing purchasing power. A one-time check for $600 is not going to jumpstart the economy. We've already witnessed that, and it was a huge waste of money. And those who have been making their mortgage payments on time and have budgeted wisely should be rewarded. If they wish to continue making the same payments as before, then the difference in the amount that they'd be paying at 4.5% interest should be applied toward their principal balance. After all, it's only fair. It's because of the financial institutions' irresponsible practice of issuing subprime loans to begin with that we're in this mess. Yet our government has seen fit to bail them out at taxpayers' expense. Well, I think it's time that the American government took the side of the American people. Those of us who once could afford making our mortgage payments are now faced with reduced equity in our homes. Many have lost their jobs as companies have either cut back or closed completely due to the crisis brought down on us by the financial institutions and our government allowing them to go unsupervised and unrestricted. And while the financial institutions are being rewarded for this bad behavior, the average American is being punished. Why? In the interest of national financial security, I urge you to contact your representatives and President Obama to consider this solution of immediately reducing all mortgage payments to 4.5%, rather than continuing to throw our taxpayer dollars into the greedy hands of those who created this crisis to begin with. Thank you.